So we started from the kickaways and we got into it in my new fancy way. Double kick, double kick, double kick, double rock step for me, and then around we go. Hey, leaders, what that is when you're kicking here, bam, bam, you do a rock step, the follower keeps going, and you go the other way, and you get a little sneakaroo. We'll do it one more time this way so y'all can see. Double kick, double kick, double kick, double rock step, and hook, bam. And if we want to get back, I can just do another rock step here, or rock step, hey, now we're back into kickaways. If I'm feeling fancy, I can go back into hand to hand. Oh my gosh, we go on forever. Hey, ho. Okay, shoe, I'm gonna show this all again. Practice them if you want, just to sort of get your balance, your arms, kind of, once things working in Charleston, it's tiring but helpful if you go like this. Front, back, switch, front, back, switch, front, back, switch, front, back, switch. That can be a real helpful practice to get your balance and your arms really good for Charleston. That's it.